How to fix this page is not available right now, Facebook. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. If your Facebook is showing this page is not available right now, then watch this video until the end to fix it. Firstly, launch the settings application on your device and make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection. You can also try to switch between networks, that is, if you are using Wi-Fi, switch to cellular, and if you are using cellular, switch to Wi-Fi. Also, make sure that the page which you are trying to open right now is not deleted by the user, as if the page is deleted, you will not be able to reach that page again. Now, open settings again and make sure you are not connected to any type of VPN services. To check, in Settings, tap on General and then on VPN and Device Management. If you are connected to any type of VPN, then go ahead and disconnect it. Now go ahead and reset network settings. In order to reset network settings, in Settings itself, tap on General and then scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then on Reset and then on Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode and reset network settings. Doing this will reset all network settings and will return them to factory defaults, meaning all your Wi-Fi networks and passwords, APN and VPN settings, and cellular settings will be returned to factory defaults. Your iPhone will take an auto restart now and your problem should have been fixed. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.